Welcome back to our garden series, where today we'll be discussing Veronica Hybrida. Veronica Hybrida, commonly known as SPEEDWELL, is a herbaceous perennial flowering plant that is native to Europe and Western Asia, but has been widely cultivated in many regions of the world. The plant has a long history of medicinal use and was traditionally used for treating respiratory problems and digestive disorders. Veronica Hybrida is a low-growing plant with bushy habit and dark green glossy leaves. The flowers are small and delicate with a 5-lobe corolla that comes in shades of blue, purple, pink, and white. They bloom in dense, upright spikes that rise above the foliage in late spring to midsummer. Veronica Hybrida prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It is tolerant of a wide range of soil types and prefers moist, fertile soil. The plant can grow up to 2 feet in height and spread up to 1.5 feet. It is hardy in USDA zones 4 to 8 and can be propagated by division or seed. Veronica Hybrida is a great addition to a mixed perennial border, rock garden, or container garden. It pairs well with other low-growing plants such as creeping thyme and ajuga. It also works well as a ground covering or edging plant. Veronica Hybrida is a popular garden plant, valued for its long-lasting, showy blooms and easy-to-grow nature. It is also used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments including respiratory infections, coughs, and digestive disorders. In addition, the plant is a great source of nectar for bees and butterflies, making it a valuable addition to pollinator gardens. Some cultivars, such as Sunny Border Blue, have won awards for their outstanding garden performance. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and information.